Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. In this very exciting video of algebraic challenging equations, here we are going to take up one very interesting question from cubic equations. Equation is x minus 1 whole cube plus x minus 2 whole cube equal to 3 minus x whole cube plus 4 minus x whole cube. We have to find out real valued solutions. I will showcase two different methods to solve this problem. So let me write directly method number 1, and I will begin with considering all the term to LHS. So let me write x minus 1 whole cube plus x minus 2 whole cube. Then I will write minus 3 minus x whole cube. Then again same way, minus 4 minus x whole cube equal to 0. Now because of power is odd, I will take this power in. So it will reflect, or it will change the sign of the terms. So I can write x minus 1 whole cube plus x minus 2 whole cube plus x minus 3 whole cube plus x minus 4 whole cube equal to 0. Now method number 1 is substitution method. I will write here, where I am putting x minus 1 as A, x minus 4 as B, x minus 2 as C, and x minus 3 as D. Because once you will add A plus B, you will write, let me show here, A plus B, if you will see, so x minus 1 plus x minus 4. So it is 2x minus 5. And C plus D, it is also 2x minus 5. So this is the advantage of taking A and B all together, C and D all together. So what I will find out here, I will calculate A cube plus B cube separately. So I will write our equation as A cube plus C cube plus D cube plus B cube equal to 0. Now I will write like this, A cube plus B cube in one bracket, and then C cube plus D cube. This is my consideration, equal to 0. Now I will only focus A cube plus B cube. So let's find out A cube plus B cube separately. So what is the formula of A cube plus B cube? This is, we know, A plus B in bracket A square plus B square minus AB. Okay, A plus B is already, we have calculated 2x minus 5. So in that place I will write 2x minus 5. So 2x minus 5. Now this bracket A square. So A square is x minus 1 whole square. B square, x minus 4 whole square minus x minus 1, x minus 4. In next step, I will simply expand this and I will collect my complete bracket. So it would be x square minus 2x plus 1 plus x square minus 8x plus 16. Now if I will expand this one, so I will write minus x square, take the product, plus 5x minus 4. Now I can cancel few terms, only one term, x square with negative x square. Now what is left? X square minus 2x minus 8x minus 10x plus 5x minus 5x. Constant term 1 plus 16, 17 minus 4, 13. So in second bracket place, I can write x square minus 5x plus 13, and see this term is 2x minus 5. Okay, now we will calculate C cube plus D cube. C is x minus 2, D is x minus 3. Let's calculate that value also. So I will write C cube plus D cube, and I will write here x minus 2 whole cube plus x minus 3 whole cube. Okay, now I will do the same thing, A plus B. So once you will, it is C plus D. So you will write here directly 2x minus 5. We have already calculated. In second bracket, I will write C square. So C square is x minus 2 whole square plus D square x minus 3 whole square. And then I will write minus times x minus 2, x minus 3. Done. Now similar way I will simplify this bracket also. Let me expand it. X square minus 4x plus 4. First whole square is done. X square minus 6x plus 9. And see, if you will take the product here and then multiply with minus sign, you can write minus x square plus 5x minus 6. Now if you will write, this value will be 2x minus 5. Here you can check x square minus 5x plus 7 you will get. Now simply put the value now directly. So our addition left hand side would be, so I will write a cube plus b cube plus c cube plus d cube. That means your equation, the given equation, equal to, in first a cube plus b cube, in that place I will write 2x minus 5 and in bracket x square minus 5x plus 13. And in place of c cube plus d cube, again you will write 2x minus 5 and in bracket this time value is here, you will write x square minus 5x plus 7. Take 2x minus 5 common. Okay. In bracket what would be left? X square minus 5x plus 13. Minus 5x plus 13. And then I will write x square minus 5x plus 7. So in totality we are having 2x minus 5 times x square plus x square, 2x square, minus 5x minus 10x, 13 plus 7, 20. And right hand side you can see it is 0. A cube plus b cube plus c cube plus d cube, as per our equation it is 0. So now you can consider either 2x minus 5 equal to 0 or this quadratic equation. So divide first by 2. So equation will become x square minus 5x plus 10 equal to 0. Now from the first equation, see from this one, our solution would be 2x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 5 over 2. Done. 5 over 2. From this quadratic equation, if you will solve, you will get complex solution as discriminant is negative. So let us find out that value also. I will write x square minus 5x plus 10 equal to 0. Okay. X equal to minus b, quadratic formula, Sridharacharya formula. 5 plus minus under the root, b square. So 25 minus 4ac, so 40. You can see negative value is coming out. Denominator is 2. 5 plus minus, it is square root of negative 15 divided by 2. Now square root of minus 1 is I. So I can write 5 plus minus I root 15 by 2. So these are two complex solution and one real solution is 5 over 2. So overall solutions are 3. 2 are complex, 1 is real. Real solution is 5 over 2. Now our method number 2 will come, that is general method. General method means expansion. So let me write method number 2. Okay. What I will write here, I will write all the terms first. X minus 1 whole cube. Then I will write x minus 2 whole cube. Then I will write x minus 3 whole cube. Then I will write x minus 4 whole cube. This addition is 0, that is our equation. Okay. So let's expand this. So I will write a minus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b. So 3x square, b is 1, plus 3ab square. So 3x 1 square. Done. Similarly, I will write x minus 2 whole cube. So I will write x cube minus 2 cube minus 3x square times 2 plus 3x times 2 square. Similarly, third one, x cube minus 3 cube minus 3x square times 3 plus 3x into 3 square. And last term expansion, we will write x cube minus 4 cube minus 3x square times 4 plus 3x into 4 square. Now I will add all the 4 terms. How it would be, because this is right hand side is 0. So if you will add, so LHS would be here equal to 4x cube, 1 cube minus 2 cube minus 3 cube means this negative term. And if you will add simply 64 plus 27 plus 8 plus 1. So 64, 27 plus 8 plus 1. So 27 plus 9, that is 36, and 4 cube is 64. 64 plus 36, 100. So I can directly write minus 100. Now 4, if I will take minus 3x square common, then it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9 plus 1, 10. So I can write in bracket 10, and in last term I will take 3x common. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. No need to apply formula. Simply 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1. Simply add 16 plus 9, 25, 25 plus 4, 29, plus 1, 30. So I can write 4x cube minus 100 minus 30x square plus 90x, and right hand side is 0. So you will write here, let me write in the equation frame, 4x cube minus 30x square, then I will write plus 90x minus 100 equal to 0. This is our cubic equation. Now you can see we can divide by 2 easily. So equation is 2x cube minus 15x square plus 45x minus 50 equal to 0. This is our cubic equation, and for this equation we will apply synthetic division, rational root theorem, and quadratic equation, quadratic formula. So this method is little lengthier, but there is no need to apply anything else. Here everything will come out automatically. Method is lengthy, no doubt about that. Now I will write that equation. Equation was 2x cube minus 15x square plus 45x minus 50 equal to 0. Now rational root theorem. Quickly we can write all the eligible factors. So you can write plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 5, plus minus 10, plus minus 25, and plus minus 50. Similarly, for the leading coefficient term, you will write plus minus 1, plus minus 2. So ratio of constant coefficient to the leading coefficient, that will generate our solution set. So if you will put value one by one and you will cross examine, see, once you will divide with this term plus 1, so this set will be there for the solution eligibility. And once you will divide with plus minus 2, then you will have plus minus 1 over 2, plus minus 1, plus minus 5 over 2, plus minus 5. You have to consider the division ratio, and then plus minus 25 over 2, and then you will have plus minus 25. So once you will check out of these possible factors, so you can check few values, and if you will check x is equal to 5 over 2, see, value will come out to 5 over 2 whole cube minus 15, 5 over 2, see, it is there 5 over 2 whole square plus 45, 5 over 2 minus 50 equal to 0. If you will check, then I will tell you what value you will be having. 125 minus 375 plus 450 over 4 minus 50. So this value is, you will check 50. 50 minus 50 equal to 0. That means this value is true. Now you will apply synthetic division methods. As the coefficients are known, so let me write here SDM, and x is equal to 5 by 2, I will consider base solution. So let me write all the coefficients of cubic equation. X cube coefficient is 2, minus 15, 45, minus 15. Put one line over there. 2 times 5 over 2, 5. Minus 10. Minus 10 times 5 over 2, minus 25. 20 times 5 over 2, 50, 0. So quadratic equation, and this equation is same equation. If you will check, it is matching with the original one. Right now it is 2x square minus 10x plus 20 equal to 0. But once you will divide, and without division also it is same, x square minus 5x plus 10 equal to 0. See, identical equation, so you will get identical solution in terms of complex solutions or complex roots. So let me write one time what is our complex solution. So x will be equal to 5 plus minus I root 15 over 2, and real solution was 5 over 2. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Thank you.